Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, subscribing my channel, for giving me lots of love, for commenting beautiful things. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get important messages which are important for you. So this is your reading for January 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. So, this is the general reading. It's not a love reading. This is the general reading for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. So let's see what are the messages. I am using the Star Seed Oracle deck. So let's see what are the messages, what are the energies for Aquarius January 2021. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Please help me out to deliver the messages. Let's see what are the messages. Okay. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important to deliver to my lovely Aquarius all over the world. What are the messages? So bottom of the deck, I am having jump in. Adventures, say yes to change. So change, as you know, Aquarius, things are changing around you. Okay, the change is happening around you. Beautiful changes are happening. So you have to say yes so that changes can happen. Okay, so say yes to the changes. Then the first message for you is perspective. Now, none of this matters. Zoom out, common ground. Okay, zoom out, common ground. So nothing will going to, nothing of these matters, Aquarius. You just need to have, this is the card of perspective, that what perspective you have towards a specific thing or not. Okay, then the next message for you is earth pulsing. Pulse of mother, slow down, time in nature. As you know that you're getting ascended, you're getting spiritual awakened. Okay, so you have to spend some more time in nature. And I am having three cards in which there is star bathing, then there is weight of the worlds, then there are three cards here in which there is a girl who is lying down in nature, lying down in water, and lying down in stars here. Okay, here can you see this girl is lying down here, then this girl is lying down in water, and this girl is lying down in nature. So the message here for you today is that you have to protect yourself, Aquarius, as you're becoming more aware. Your downloads are happening, change is coming for you. You're getting more awakened than before. Spiritual awakening is happening for you. So you have to protect and ground your energy. Spend some time with nature. This is the time to slow down and spend some time with nature. Okay, then the next message for you is weight of the world. Boundaries, let it go. It's not yours to carry. So Aquarius, some of you Aquarius are carrying lot of boundaries or burdens, lot of boundaries, lot of things on your shoulders. So you have to let it go, those weight, those burdens, those boundaries. It's not for you to carry at all. So let go any boundaries, any burdens, any weight which you are carrying on your shoulders. Okay, you have to let go. That is not for you. Then there is baby steps, action. Follow your intuition before it makes sense. Okay, so Aquarius, you have to take a baby steps towards something in which your intuition is guiding you to go. Okay, can you see there is a girl here standing, and there is a gate which is here, and she's going inside the gate, and there is a lot of lights here which is waiting for you. So you have to take the baby steps, take the action, follow your intuition, because your intuition is trying to tell you something. Okay, just you have to take the baby steps towards it. And by taking these baby steps here, can I think it's visible here, this girl was here, and by taking baby steps, she has reached at the door of light. By taking baby steps here, first she was here, then she was here, now she is here at the gate of light. So you have to take the baby steps, actions, follow your intuitions, in which your intuition is trying to guide you before. Okay, then there is star bathing, light body, crystal grid, transmission and activation. See, right, as I told you that you're getting activated, you're getting spiritual awakening, you're getting transmit, transition period is there for you, transformation period is there for you. So you have to take, your body will be feeling very light. Okay, there are activations which is happening in your body, Aquarius. Okay, so there are activations which are happening in your body, there are transmissions, there is light body, because there is star bathing. Okay, maybe some of you Aquarius are spending um, nights under the sky. Okay, spending some time with stars, because you are the star seeds. Some of you Aquarius are the star seeds and the light workers too. Then there is karmic relationships, Orion energy, polarity, soul growth and conflict. This message I got for you in my previous reading also. So some of you Aquarius are dealing with the karmic relationships. Okay, karmic relationships are important for your soul's growth, and they push you in a direction so that your soul can learn the lesson and the soul can develop at its highest pure form. Okay, so there may be some kind of conflicts around you, okay, because of these karmic relationships, but try to understand that what this karmic relationship is trying to make you learn. Maybe they're trying to make you learn a lesson. Okay, they're trying to teach you a lesson basically. So try to learn the lesson. Once you learn that lesson, your your karmic relationship period will be over basically. Okay, so try to focus on the soul growth basically. Then there is star brothers, Aurus energy, protection, loyalty, safety and trust. Here I need to read it out from the book. Beautiful deck, I love this deck. It's very beautiful, and recently I have started the reading doing from this deck, and it's very beautiful. Okay, so you are more protected than you imagine. It's safe to open the back of your heart. You are being called to open, to receive a new level of support now from those in your life and from the benevolent beings which you are connected with. Okay, this is how can you open yourself to receive more support, Aquarius. So you need to open up, as the support is available for you from the relationships. Okay, you are safe, you are protected, you can open your heart basically. Okay, you are being called to open, to receive basically, because you know that there are activations which are happening for you, there are downloads which are happening for you. So you have to open up. I need to read out for this star bathing also. Okay, the stars are constantly showing onto the crystalline grid of the earth. When things are into the balance, the planet also sends information back up to the stars. Many star seeds have come to Earth at this time to help shift the planet vibrationally, to activate the ancient codes of wisdom that humanity has forgotten. All the information is stored in the crystalline guide. Place this card on the portal of your heart and whisper the following: I open myself to receive the wisdom of the crystalline grid beneath me. May the star and the earth inform and heal me as I do. May it heal the earth too. Okay, so beautiful message for you from this deck, Aquarius. So cards are saying that change is happening for you, and it's very beautiful. Okay, it's very beautiful. You have to say yes to the change. Spend some time in nature. Follow your intuition, because your intuition is trying to guide you. You have to open up to receive, because you are protected. Okay, you are safe, Aquarius. You are protected. I got three more messages for you. Okay, the message is loosen your grip. Coping mechanism, density, addictions, let God in. This card I got for you also in the previous, in my previous reading. Okay, let me read it out for you. We are cyclic beings, and Mother Earth teaches us how to be human every day with the coming and going the tides and seasons. If you are clinging to anything, you are resisting the natural flow of who you are. The things we cling to are so often that we most need to let go: the food, the substance, the relationship, the job, the people pleasing. The things we cling to often cover up our most vulnerable space, the part we are most afraid to leave empty. Okay, so what are you clinging to for fear of nothing coming to its place? So Aquarius, maybe these two cards are telling me that you have to open up. You are protected, and there is something on which you are clinging on. Okay, so let go anything on which you are clinging on. Maybe it's a relationship, maybe it's a job. Okay, that can be anything, you know better. So you have to be open up, and it's okay. You are protected. It's safe to open your heart. You are protected. And do not clinch. You are and any Aquarius, some of you Aquarius are clinging on something which don't serve your highest good. So you have to let go of those things. Okay, Aquarius, let go, let go, let go. That's the message I'm giving you from last my many readings, that you have to let go anything which you have to, that don't serve your highest good, basically. Okay, so let go if you are still, let go anything on which you are clinging on to. So let go anything. Okay, then the message for you is the golden children: inner child, tenderness, innocence, and rare gift. How can you treat yourself or others more tenderly? Golden children, the children of sun, are highly advanced, extremely intelligent souls who are incarnated increasingly on this planet Earth. They have little or no personal karma and possess incredible gifts and intuitive abilities. Golden children are born with a clear mission. Many remember it from a young age and begin answering and sharing it early in life. Due to their unique intelligence, they may find themselves easily bored at school. Most have never incarnated on earth before, and so if they are not supported in the right ways, they struggle with physical life here. They are often referred to as new human. If you pull this card, it may be sign that you are being called to mother, father, or nurture a child. Okay, you may be called to tend your own inner child, a creative idea, a project, or a new beginning. So treat yourself or the new beginning with sweet, tender love, to nurture it, to nourish it, to give every chance to grow and reach adulthood, to encourage it to water it, to see the world through the innocence of a child, to see yourself and all others as innocent children, to remember that deep down everyone is trying their best, and if they treat it with a tender heart, they will not harden as they journey through this great adventures called life. Okay, so that's the message. Then there is water your garden, nourishment, body care, tenderness, and rest. As I told you, rest and rejuvenate yourself. Okay, so you have to take care of yourself properly, Aquarius. Okay, water your garden, that means water your body, nourish more your body, take care of your body. Okay, rest and take care of it. So beautiful messages from the Star Seed Oracle. Thank you so much, Star Seed Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Work Your Light Oracle card. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius, and I get this message again and again, star seeds wala, star seeds. So let's see what are the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? What are the messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius? Beautiful message, Aquarius. Beautiful message. The message for you is leap. You go first, the universe will catch you. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. You are protected. God is there. Universe is there. So you have to take a leap of faith. Do not worry at all. The universe will catch you, Aquarius, but you have to take the first step towards that direction. So take that first step and move in a forward direction. Then the second message for you is align your life. What is not aligned or needs to be changed? So there is something, Aquarius, which there is a change which you have to do in that particular area. Ask yourself that what is not aligned to my life. So work on that part, work on that area and align yourself. And if you think that this has to be changed, okay, so change that thing. Align your life basically. Then there is share your voice. Come out of the cave, persecution and expressions. Beautiful message, and I got this message also in previous reading also. Some of you, Aquarius, needs to express yourself. You have lot of knowledge, lot of wisdom, okay, to share, to speak. So experience, because you have lot of experience. You are the old souls. Many of the Aquarius are the old souls. Okay, so share your experience. Get out of the cave and you have to speak your experience, your knowledge, your wisdom, whatever you want to express yourself. So share your voice basically, Aquarius. Align your life, share your voice, take a leap of faith. Then there is Imrama. Where are you being called to journey to? So Aquarius, divine is guiding you, universe is guiding you to a journey, okay, because you are having a soul journey on this planet Earth. So ask yourself that where are you being called to go to, and follow that steps, because you are being called to go to a journey, okay. So follow that intuition. Then there is inner temple. Devotion, tune into portal of your heart. Beautiful, a message for you. You have to tune into the inner portal of your heart, Aquarius. That's the inner temple, because your soul is having a lot of things which you need not know maybe, okay, but you have to tune in the portal of your heart, because that will guide you basically beautifully to the direction where you have to go. Then there is birthing a age, birthing new creations, dreaming a new world into being. As you know that now we are in the golden age of Aquarius, and being an Aquarius, you are here to birth a new age, Aquarius, okay. So use your creations, birth something new, use your creativity, express yourself. 1919 was the recording reading time, okay. trust your path, and you are here to create something very beautiful. So follow your steps, follows your intuitions, follow everything, because you are birthing a new age. Okay, beautiful card for you. Let I do not know whether it's clear or not. Okay, let me see. Yeah, now it's clear. Birthing a new age. You are birthing a new age, Aquarius. So use your new creations, use your creativity, whatever your soul is trying to tell you, intuition is trying to tell you, use that. Okay, and there is take a break, a life work, not a season. Get off the treadmill. So some of you Aquarius need to get all out of the busy schedule. Maybe you are working non-stop. Okay, so you have to take a break and spend some time and rest and rejuvenate yourself, because this was the message in the previous deck too, that you have to take care of yourself. Okay, take a rest, take a break, and spend some time on yourself. Then there is trust your path. If you know you would be supported, what would you be doing? So trust your path, Aquarius. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Can you see here? You have to take a leap of faith and trust your path. Align your life. Maybe you have to align your life. There is something on which you have to do some kind of changes and work on that particular area. So ask yourself that what are the things which is not aligned. Okay, what are the things which I need to change, and tune into the portal of your heart. Beautiful messages from this deck too. Let me see, is there any other message? Akash, your guidance is divinely guided. Okay, your guidance is divinely guided. Divine is there with you. You do not worry at all. Okay, your guidance is divinely guided. Stop overthinking. Keep facing your true north. You are already doing it, whatever is necessary for you to do. You are on a right path, Aquarius. There is set up your boundaries message is there, where you need to establish better boundaries. As you know that you are birthing a new age, you are getting transformed, you are getting more intuitive than before, you're getting spiritual awakening. So you have to set up boundaries around yourself. You have to protect your energies. Okay, and you have to know that where you need to establish better boundaries. There is High Priestess here. How are you being called up to step up and lead here? I told you that you're getting transformed here. Your intuitions are more working right now. 2244 is the recording reading time. So use your intuitions, Aquarius. You are full of intuitions. Your intuition is trying to tell you something. You are the High Priestess. Okay. You are being called to step up and lead, Aquarius. See, I told you transformation. Again, there is transformation. You're getting transformation, Aquarius. You're getting transformation. Your intuition is working beautifully. You are birthing a new age here. Can you see? Transformation is here. You are getting spiritual awakening. Your guidance is divinely guided here. Things are changing at a cellular level. Deep healing is happening for you. You're getting transformation. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. Beautiful, powerful messages for you. Then there is no. Wait, postpone, pause, and say no. So there is something in which you have to say no, Aquarius. You know better your situations. So some of you Aquarius, this is a specific message for someone who needs the answer, yes or no. So this is the no for them. Okay, just wait, postpone, pause, or say no. Any other message? But transformation is taking place for you, Aquarius. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Protection, call back your power, cut the codes, and soul retriever. See, right, I told you that you have to protect yourself. Protection is here, so protect your energy, Aquarius. Call back your power, cut the codes. If you are sharing your energy codes, energy you're giving to energy to something on which you do not have to give, basically you have to protect yourself, okay, as you're getting transformed here. Then there is sisterhood of the rose, beauty and devotion, priestess, mystic teacher. You can be a mystic teacher to Aquarius. You can be healers, Aquarius. Are many Aquarius are mystic healers and high priestess. So you are the sisterhood of the rose. You can be a mystic teacher as you are high priestess. You're getting transformed, beautiful and very positive messages. Then there is don't dim to fit in. How are you dimming your light in order to fit in? So Aquarius, there is something in which are you trying to dim your light and trying to fit in. So if you are trying to fit into something in which you are dimming your light, you have to say no on that. That's why there is no here. Do not try to fit in to something in which you have to dim your light, okay? Do not dim your light. You have to ask yourself that how are you dimming your light in order to fix somewhere. Beautiful messages. Thank you so much, Work Your Light Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Scared Traveler Oracle deck. Oracle deck, or Scared Traveler Oracle deck. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius. January 2021, which I need to deliver. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important to deliver to my lovely Aquarius. This is not the love reading, Aquarius, okay? This is your general reading for you. See, I told you that is, as I told you that you can be a mystic healer, and here I'm getting again this is mystic healer. So Aquarius, work on yourself, okay? You can be a mystic healer. Here some of you Aquarius can be a mystic healer. You have a healing energy which is flowing through you, okay? There is a mystic healer card here which I am getting for you. Grace and gratitude. Through gratitude, joy expands. So always have an attitude of gratitude, Aquarius. Whatever you are having right now, always feel very much thankful to the universe, to the divine, to yourself also. Say thank you to the divine for giving the beautiful things to you, because some of them are not having those things which you are having it right now in your life. So always have an attitude of gratitude, and as you feel gratitude, your joy gets expand, okay? Navigating by the stars, follow your bliss, Aquarius. As you know that you are being following by the star, you are the star, my Aquarius. You are the light, you are the star, you are the star seeds, you are the light workers. Some of you Aquarius are the light workers, some of you Aquarius are the star seeds, okay? You are the star of the tarot too. Star means that new hopes and new desires. So follow your bliss, because you are getting navigated by the stars. That means you are getting navigation by the universe, as you know that your path is divinely guided. Then there is great adventure. Take a risk, venture forward. See, again the message has come for you that take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction, Aquarius. You have to take a leap of faith. Okay, 1 minute. I am finding that card. Okay. I got the card here that you have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. As you take the leap of faith, universe is there to help you out, but you have to take the first step. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. So great adventure is coming for you. You just have to take a risk and venture forward. Then there is forge in glow. Go slow, take time. Go slow, take time. And there is unknown territory. You are exactly where you need to be. Okay. So there are messages here that you are exactly there where you have to be. I know some of you Aquarius are thinking that where I am going to lead in my life, where my life is leading me, I am in my unknown territory, but you are exactly wherever you are in the world, Aquarius. You are exactly where you need to be. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much, Scared Oracle deck, Scared Traveler Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. I was finding out any other message because I think that there is a message and I got one message for you. Narrow pathway, tread thoughtfully. So these are the messages for you, my lovely Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. So I'm going to make another video for you in which I'm going to do your love reading for January 2021. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. See you soon, Aquarius.